Hello and welcome back to Officina Virtuale. Today we're going to be continuing our beginner series, and as always, mechanical design, part design, and part 1. Let's click on OK. We want to talk about groove. As you can see here, this is our command, groove, but we can use materials with this command when we've got materials. With this command as our pocket command, we can cut material. This is the idea. So at first we need to create something. Let's select our YZ plane and let's click on sketch, and let's sketch, for example, a rectangle like this. Now let's click on exit workbench. We can create, for example, using shaft and selecting our z-axis, and let's click on preview. Now we've got this element, and as you can see here, now we've got our groove and our pocket enabled. Okay, let's select our YZ plane and let's click on sketch. We can use our project 3D element. We can select our cylinder and we can project our cylinder, and as you can see, we've got these two different lines. We want this line as a construction line, and let's click on this. Okay, now let's sketch line, for example, this with coincidence, and now we can sketch, for example, a circle here, and clicking exit workbench and clicking on groove and selecting the z-axis as our axis. Let's click on Z and let's click on preview. This is what we got now. As always, we can reverse side. Let's click on preview. Okay, reverse side and preview. We can use the thick profile, and let's click on preview. I can increase this. Let's click on preview, and I can increase the second direction, this, and let's click on previews to increase the distance between these two different elements. Okay, and let's click on OK. Now let's sketch on our ZY plane, and let's click, for example, we can sketch a rectangle like this. Exit workbench and let's click on groove, and let's select our YZ z-axis as our axis, and let's click on OK. This is what we got. The important thing to remember is to use this command, to use our pocket command and use our groove, as when we can see, and a second time we will use lot or, for example, even hole, we need material. So the idea is that we need to create our element and then we can cut material. Okay? As always, if you like this video, share, subscribe, and so on. See you soon.